July 4th, 2017. This is the first year that fireworks have been legal in Des Moines, Iowa, and it's about 4:30 p.m. Fireworks are legal from 4 till 9, and I'm out to chronicle how much activity there is. So far there's just some faint fireworks in the distance. I'm pointing the camera east, pointing the camera south. There's one. Pointing the camera west. Pointing the camera north. So far, in 1 minute, not quite a minute, I haven't heard anything. I'm going to shut it off at 1 minute. There's one firecracker. It's practically nothing.